slow progress is better than no progress. Okay, do whatever you want, okay, to achieve our goal. Work hard. Then now you can go to the class. Here we are going to say about destination. Okay, now the first one is Angarakshak. Angarakshak means bodyguard. Okay, प्रधानमंत्री के आगे उनकी अंगरक्षक आते हैं. Okay, the bodyguard of the prime minister following him. Okay, Angarakshak means bodyguard. Then Anchal Adhikari. Anchal Adhikari is zonal officer. Zonal officer of this district is arriving today. Okay, Anchal Adhikari is आते हैं. Then Visheshnya means expert in everything. Okay, I am expert in maths. मैं गणित में विशेषज्ञ हूँ. Then Ayukt means commissioner. Okay, Ayukt means commissioner. पुलिस की आयुक्त त्रिची में आ रहे हैं. The commissioner of police is arriving Trichy today. Then Nirakshak is inspector. Okay, then Nirdeshak is director. Okay, सिनेमा में निर्देशक की आवश्यक बहुत उन्नत है. Okay, without the helping of the director we can't do any film. Then Abhiyanta is engineer. Then Adhyaksha is chairman. Okay, the Adhyaksha हमारी गांव की अध्यक्ष हमारे लिए बहुत काम करते हैं. The chairman of our village doing very well. Then Paryaveshak means superintendent. Okay, Paryaveshak is superintendent. Then Sachiv is secretary. The हमारी कॉलेज की सचिव बहुत अच्छे हैं. Okay, the secretary of our college is doing his work very well. Then अभिकर्ता is agent. Okay, हर सामान को भेजने के लिए हमारे लिए एक एजेंट की आवश्यकता है. Okay, एजेंट की आवश्यकता है. We are having agents for selling the things. Then Roopkar is designer. Then Acharya is professor. Okay, हमारे कॉलेज की आचार्य हमारे लिए अच्छी तरह ही काम करते हैं. Then आयकर अधिकारी means income tax officer. हमारी गली में एक घर में आयकर अधिकारी आए हैं. In our street the income tax officer came to an house. Then Ayojak is organizer. Okay, organizer. हमारी कॉलेज में फेयरवेल पार्टी. Okay, फेयरवेल पार्टी के लिए ऑर्गेनाइजर नहीं मिला है. Then मंत्री. Okay, मंत्री means minister. Okay, मंत्री means we have to put the department before the मंत्री. Okay, health minister means like that. Okay, health minister, finance minister. Okay, like that. Then Rashtrapati is president. Then Uparashtrapati is vice president. Okay, then Samaharta is collector. Okay, flood की समय. Okay, in the time of flood the work of the collector is very important. Okay, now we can go to the next 20th. Prabandhak is manager. हमारी बैंक की प्रबंधक एक अच्छी आदमी है, हमारे लिए वह सब कुछ करते हैं. Then कुलाधिपति, कुलाधिपति means chancellor. Okay, कुलाधिपति means chancellors. Then कुलपति. Okay, कुलपति is vice chancellor, vice chancellor. Then जाजूस, जाजूस is detective. Okay, in the crime cases we need of the detective agencies. Okay, then न्यायाधीश, न्यायाधीश means judge. Okay, न्यायाधीश हमारे लिए अच्छी तरह की न्याय करते हैं. Okay, the judge gives the good judgment to the suffering people. Then जनसंपर्क अधिकारी, जनसंपर्क अधिकारी means public relation officer, PRO. We call them as PRO, public relation officers. Then jailer, jailer means jailer. Then टंकक, टंकक is typist. Okay, हमारी बैंक में टंकक की आवश्यकता है. We want a typist to our bank. Then डाकिया, डाकिया is postman. We all know डाकर, डाकिया, postman. सलाहकार, सलाहकार is a advisor. Okay, हर कंपनी के लिए एक सलाहकार की आवश्यकता है. Okay, for every company they need a advisor. Then दरबान, दरबान is gatekeeper, gatekeeper. Then तहसीलदार, तहसीलदार is तहसीलदार, तहसीलदार. Okay, निज सजीव, निज सजीव is personal secretary, निज सजीव means personal secretary. Then पंजीकार, पंजीकार is register, हमारी घर की रजिस्टर, हमारी घर की पंजीकर करने के लिए पंजीकर दफ्तर जाना है. Okay, we have to register the house of the, then we have to go for the register office. Okay, then लेखाकार, लेखाकार is accountant. Okay, हर बैंक में एक लेखाकार होते हैं. Okay, daily, okay, daily we are seeing the accountant in the bank. Then परीक्षक, परीक्षक is examiner. Okay, हर गवर्नमेंट सरकार की परीक्षा के लिए परीक्षक की आवश्यकता है. ओके, फॉर पब्लिक एग्जाम वी नीड अ गुड एग्जामिनर. देन मनोविज्ञानी, मनोविज्ञानी मीन्स साइकाटिस्ट. ओके, मनोविज्ञानी इज साइकाटिस्ट. देन मुख्यमंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री इज चीफ मिनिस्टर. ओके, चीफ मिनिस्टर. देन प्रधानमंत्री, प्रधानमंत्री is prime minister. Okay, we all know that. Then now we can recollect this one. Ankarakshak, Ankarakshak is bodyguard. Anchal Adhikari is zonal officer. Visheshnya expert. Ayukt commissioner. Nirikshak inspector. Nirdeshak director. अभियंता इंजीनियर. अध्यक्ष chairman. पर्यवेक्षक is superintendent. सचिव secretary. Okay, अभिकर्ता, अभिकर्ता is agent. रूपकार, रूपकार is designer. आचार्य, आचार्य means professor. Okay, आयकर अधिकारी income tax officer. आयोजक, आयोजक is organizer. Mantri means minister. Okay, we are having many type of minister. Then Rashtrapati, Rashtrapati is president. Uparashtrapati, Uparashtrapati means vice president. Samaharta, Samaharta means collector. Okay, every district we are having a collectors. Then Prabandhak, Prabandhak is manager. Kuladhipati, Kuladhipati is chancellor. Then Kulapati is vice chancellor. There is a difference between Kuladhipati and Kulapati. Then Jasus, Jasus is detective. Nyayadish, Nyayadish is judge. Jana Sampark Adhikari, PRO, Public Relations Officer. Then jailer, jailer is jailer. Tangak is typist. Dakia, postman. Salahakar is advisor. Darban is gatekeeper. Dahasildar means Tahsildar. Nij Sajeev is personal secretary. Here Panjikar is register. Lekakar is accountant. Parikshak is examiner. Then Manovignani is psychiatrist. Then here Mukhyamantri is CM, that is chief minister. Okay, then Pradhan Mantri is PM, prime minister. Okay, I hope you all understand this destination. Then don't skip this video, watch this video fully.